Yeah. I got to jump though because we got some news coming out 8:30. So this is why I'm jumping on real quick to see if I can hit this shit big real quick, man. There's gonna be some news. We got PPI coming out.
What is PPI
It's
got
like
right there?
paper index. So it's some big news. It's big news. The futures calendar is gonna go crazy. Yeah, 4 more minutes till PPI. Let me see when the last one was. October 10th. Let me see. Studio version. Do the studio mode. So the last one was October 11th. Damn. It's way back.
She got Chris Sane, man. The dude named Chris Sane cold to hell too. He just posted up 10 hours ago. He said $50 until these 3 stocks will suppress your full-time job.
Shit. That's a leap there. That's it.
Shit, posted it 10 hours ago. He got
Damn.
40,000 views on it so far.
For real? That nigga gonna go crazy. Yeah, I think.
Man, I gotta say this shit serious, man. Trump back in office, man. You know what I'm saying? You don't understand, there's really something wrong with you, man. Shit, it's the time the rich finna get rich as fuck.
Risk it all. That's right. Look, we going.
You learn how to print your own money, man. You know what I mean? Man, they gonna probably be getting away funding the town, man.
Probably. We gonna call
That
this.
shit's so cheap.
We gonna call this Take Profit Thursday.
Let's go, Big Thomas.
You can get it. You should be able to get on there now. Eleven 14. All right. Yeah, you gonna hear me on the mic, man. I'm gonna call you right back. I'm gonna call you back. All right. Alexa, play music.
Amazon Music is streaming on another device. Would you like to stream from here instead?
Yes. Yeah, buddy. This thing's going crazy. Woo! This news is crazy. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna see if I can get back in it. I'm gonna see if I can get back in it. That shit was not working. I was trying to press that exit button. That shit was not working. Rally base rally. It's a fair value gap here. Let me see. Man. Top and tail. I just don't know if I want to go take it down to this fair value gap right here. This yellow, this is a fair value gap. Usually it reverses right here. It'll come in this area and then shoot up. So I'm trying to see if I want to do it and let it ride. It might, I think it's going to go back up. It's going to usually retrace after that. So I was thinking about putting in a couple contracts. Seeing, let me see. Well, you can just make more with this. You can make more with this one, boy. This NASDAQ. I think I'm gonna go with this NASDAQ contract. Let that thing go down a little bit. Let's see if they got some resistance here. We got a little pivot. Where the pivot point at? Oh, it's going down some more. The numbers must have been good. Let me see what this is. Yeah, the numbers was 217K, so the PMI is the same. Previous it went up. The core PPI went up. Yeah, see, it's tanky, it's going. It's going. It's retracing. I got a pivot point down here, so it might go down there. I don't know though. I don't want to risk it with my big contract, so let me try one little small one here. Go down there and make a little bread. Letting it breathe. This is a rally based rally. I thought it was gonna do that too. I thought it was gonna maybe do that. It kind of looked. It looked like it went through this fair value gaps right here. So this is the end of it. Then you go into a daily. Yeah, this is the fair value gap. You go into a 1 hour demand zone. So I'm thinking like it'll retrace after this. It'll go down to this little line down here near this demand zone, and then it should shoot back up. It should shoot back up, so I might be able to get in on some buys like right here. Now that the wind has settled down a little bit. consolidating. So let's see, give me a little wick. I don't see no wick. I'm looking for a top and tail. Something that looks like this right here. Something that looks like that right there. Let's see this here. Yeah, I want something that looks just like this. A little top and tail. If this forms into that, that's what I'm talking about. That's how I know it's about to reverse if it's forming something just like that. Got pivots on here too. Yeah, I got my pivots on there. Yeah. E-mini's pushing, 500's pushing, baby. We don't know what it's gonna do. It definitely hit this little pivot point, so I'm gonna wait for it to close out and it might be reversing. 1, 5, 6, 7. I just don't. Come on, Bulls. 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 You gotta play the cost to be the boss. I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Come on, Bulls, you playing. You playing right now. Look at that. We sitting at a cool 45. Once I get about a little halfway, like right here, I'm gone. I'm out of there. I'm the biggest, the largest. Hey, Alexa, play Big X the Plug. Alexa, play Big X the Plug. That's what I'm talking about.
Amazon Music is streaming on another
Don't worry
device.
about that.
Would you like to stream from here instead?
Yes. Yes, we 65 strong, boy. If I put me about 2 contracts in, it would have been it. We the biggest, the largest. Alexa, play. Dun, dun. My 5-minute candle. This thing looking good. Because we the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest.
I'm having trouble playing that right now.
Yeah, baby. We the biggest, the largest. Free trade. Free trade. Look at that. Free trade 320. Free 20. It's still pumping. It's pumping good. 320. It's tapping that little resistance line. $45. 400. Hey, we killing it. Shit, we killing it. 1 contract, 400. Unlock them profits in. Sales stop right there. Make me something. I don't know how much, but I'm gonna make something. We got another minute till the candle closes. Maybe we'll get us another one. Let's cut down to the 2-minute marker. Let's see what it's doing. the 1 minute one. Let's see how it go. It's looking good. The Bulls are here to play, baby. The Bulls are retracing. The Bulls are retracing. Cause I'm the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest. Look at that. Look at that. We ain't playing with them. We ain't playing with them. We're gonna lock these profits in a minute. We're gonna lock these profits in a minute. Up, it's consolidating. It's just chilling right here. Might do something big. Might do something big. We the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest. Let's get up there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming to a resistance zone. Cause we the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest. Oh, let's get out of there. 300. That's a good profit. Cause we the biggest, the largest. Yeah, we just made us a cool 466. Cause we the biggest, the largest. Yes, sir. I'm gonna let that wane out. Ooh, I should have stayed in. Look at that thing shooting up some more. Sometimes you gotta just wait. Cause we the biggest, the largest. I just wanted to lock them profits in. I wanted to lock that thing in. Let's see what ES looking like. ES is zoning in too. It's retracing up. It's bouncing off these 21 and 8 EMAs though. That fair value gap worked. Damn, that shit worked. That thing teed out right there. Bottom tailed out. Look at that. Bottom tailed out. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, it's doing some things, boy. Ooh, it's doing some things. Ooh, look at it. Them bears going in. So, ooh, that's right. Got the top and tail. You see that? That's the top and tail. There we go, baby. That's the top and tail. See that? Little top and tail. Anytime you see it, look at that shit. Shit's shooting down through it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out now. Watch out. It's a fake out. It is a fake out. Because we the biggest, the largest. The biggest, the largest. Yeah, we done made some money today. We done made it happen today. That NQ was killing it. What's the Dow doing? Ooh, the Dow shot up. Ooh, look at the Dow top and tail. That thing made some money. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Or would you look at there? Or would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that, everybody? Ooh, we just had our PPI news. And it is looking good today. Welcome everybody to Legacy League Trading, where we build their legacy all from the laptop. I want you guys to get it how you live. Learn this skill. You won't even ever have to worry about nothing again. You'll be good to go. You'll be good to go. Ooh, look at that. It's reversing. Reversing candle. Look at that. And see, this is scalping. This is just feeding the market. This is getting it in. You know, I think it's going to go up to this pivot point line. I love my pivot points because it's actually showing resistance too. So once it probably breaks past this, I think I'm going to go in. Because we the biggest, the largest. We the biggest, the largest. Let's see. Cause we the biggest, the largest. That. I don't know, I'm trying to get that thing to pop up on what? Yeah, cause we the biggest, the largest. We the biggest, the largest. We gotta let this play out. Let this market just mellow out a little bit. We just got some news. Big wick down to the bottom. Bull stepped in. Now we're rising back up again. We got another fake out. I think it's gonna tap back down to here. I wanted to test this zone down here again. Test this low. If it breaks this low or this low, I wanna go in for a little short. Look like the EMAs are kind of crossing over too. So you know, we have to see what it does. See what it does. Let me give me a little notepad here. Let's take some notes. Dang, I want to get in. Definitely hit that little EMA right there. Let's see what the risk is here. See, I can't get a contract less than. I'm giving for about 150. Yeah, it's coming. Coming. It's coming down. It's doing its thing. I'm trying to give me a little A1 setup though. The market ain't even open up yet. Already up $466. Market ain't even open up yet. We doing our thing over here. Giving up. Alexa, play music.
Amazon Music is streaming on another device. Would you like to stream from here instead?
Yes.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Big X the Plug Pandora Radio. Let's do that.
Plug Dollar Radio from Pandora.
Plug. Big X the Plug. I know it's early, everybody. I know it's early. I know it's early. Trade with me. Coming off of that, this is a good deal though. Damn, I can change to take profit on this thing. Don't. I'm just going through my time frames. I always start off with like an hour to jot my zones down. And sometimes I find value gaps or whatnot. Like on the 30-minute, that usually holds up. This hour one held up pretty good too. 30 minutes to an hour. So I knew it was going to be a reversal a little bit later. This look like it's testing this now. So I'm gonna see if it can break this low down here, and then I might try to go in for a longer and ride it down to this pivot point. Because I'm looking at it had a big move right here, so there's going to be a lot of orders to fill. Like right here, this was on Thursday, November 7th. So it might get down there and might break some of these down here. Let me put a little alert down here for the NQ. It might be riding. It might be ready to go. Here's a pivot point too, right here. I'll just be putting little alerts on there. But the NQ definitely is looking good. What's the call's looking good too. It's right here. 14th. This was at 640 something. It's Tuesday the 5th. Yeah, it's kind of testing all this right now. I wanted to come down, get some more of these orders down at the bottom, the tippy tip down here. Yeah, right here. It's a big demand zone here. This might be good for a big reversal later on. So I'm gonna put something like right here. Russell's going down into the zone. I had this marked earlier, this zone here. I was thinking that to go down there and then come back up, but I think it has to hit. Look like it's kind of reversing now a little bit. Yeah, it looked like it's reversing a little bit right here. I'd wait for it to come down and break this low down there. I got an alert set though for that. The Russell, see what our gold's doing. We got gold. We got gold, baby. We got gold, baby. We going gold. And platinum. We going gold, baby. Here's the gold. Look at that gold. That gold got a little topping tail down here. I might have to give me a little gold play. This uptrend too on the 2 minute. Let's see what it is. Downtrend on the 1 hour. I don't like to trade on cross on trends that's clashing. I don't like to trade on trends that's clashing. Trading on them. I don't like doing it. I don't like doing it. I don't like it. It's not pain. Man, that thing respecting that fair value gap. It is not. There's some orders right there. Some orders right there. I gotta figure out if I want to get short again. might be a good point right here to hit this. Oh. Oh. When I need too much. Oh shit! This a day. We got the Fed chair speaking too. Shit, this is great. This is great. We got news for blues today. We got news to make the blues today. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. We got news to make the blues, people. Nurse. Twerk. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. What's up, baby? Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm alright. How you doing?
Good. I'm going to catch you before the market open.
Oh shit, I'm on here now. You see me live? You see me live?
I see you
I'm live right now.
Oh my goodness.
It's on, I'm on Facebook.
On Facebook? Okay,
On
hold on.
Edward.
Gosh.
I'm on Edward Thomas on there.
It's your first time doing live?
I've been going live.
You've been on live.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What you mean?
I've been live.
You've been live. You too live.
Been live.
Okay, but I'll let you go. I'll get off the phone so you can share you with the people.
Okay. Check it out.
Alright, I see
All right.
you. I see you.
All right, baby.
Alright, yeah.
All right, love you.
Alright, love you too. Alright, bye-bye.
I'm the biggest, the largest. I'm the biggest, the largest. Yeah. The biggest, the largest. Everybody gotta get on this thing. Let's make some money this morning.
The largest.
The biggest, the largest.
Yeah. The biggie. The largest. Everybody gotta get on this thing. Let's make some money this morning.
And these fair value gaps going crazy. Market open in 15 minutes. We got a 15-minute play coming soon. See what it's gonna do. It's real choppy. It's back and forth. It's and we're right in the middle of these two pivot points here. It could go up or it could go down. Shoot, we don't know what it's gonna do. The blue is my daily high and low. So it looked like it's still trading within the day. I'm waiting for it to start trading out of the day, the previous day. So then that way, you know, we'll see whether it's moving or not. But you see all of it's in red. It's all kind of choppy, going up and down, up and down. We got the Dow. That's in a uptrend right now. That's good. 15-minute uptrend. Just respecting our little fair value gap down here below. Let me show you guys how to. Oh, I was about to look at this one. Fair value gaps. Those are a great tool to use for entries. Usually, ideally, you would want to look at something like this, like a big candlestick right here. We call this a boner candle. It just shot up to the moon. You know what I'm talking about, brother. But shot up to the moon, and then what you would do is you take a indicator like this. Let's put this down here. I'll put this over here. Yeah, you take that, and then you just get this right here, a little square, and you draw it from the bottom of the candle that's after it, and then the top of this candle. That's your fair value gap. It was a good one, but it hit this bottom and tail right here. So that pretty much blew through it, but it closed right there, so it's still valid. Usually you want a fair value gap where it's not touched at all. So all of these candles would be like way above it, and then it would touch and then shoot up like that. So it's already been touched, but as you can see, the market's respecting it. This price point, they're respecting it. The market does respect whole numbers, hundreds. So this is like buy 100. This is buy 100 too. So a lot of times the banks and the institutions, they like to buy whole numbers like that. So you can tell definitely by the price action that they're respecting that number, that level right there. It's still being respected like right now even. So I could have made a few plays with it right here. I could have had to shoot up. It shot up right here, so I could have put a demand in order right here and then go up. But that was at like 2:15 in the morning. I was asleep, laid out, thumb in my mouth. Cause I'm the biggest, the largest. But yeah, we're gonna see what it does in about 15-minute plays. We're gonna make some profits. We're gonna make some profits. Let's let it play out today. Let's play it out. At fair value, this is over with. I'm gonna take this off again. I'm gonna go ahead and get this say really, really. Don't you listen mine? I say really, really. Really, really. Alright, we're gonna do this the daily. Nice blue day. Nice blue day. So we're still trading in the day. That blue sky, we're trading within the day. We're right at a pivot point. So it's most likely gonna go up, hit the resistance, and then come back down, you know, and cover this area down here. This was from Wednesday the 13th. Oh, Wednesday. Yesterday. Yesterday at 10 a.m. So it's probably gonna go down there and recover. It tried to test it right here, and there was some buy orders. I think that actually hit, like right here. It was a big order, big patch of them. So that shot the market up. So it looks like it's going back down to retest it. Let's see if it breaks through. I have an alert set, and I'll only go long if it starts to reverse right there. Trying to see where. Let's see where it probably reverse at. Go on here and go. Let's see where it might reverse at. Anytime you see these like wicks over wicks areas like that, when these bars like kind of mesh together, that's an area where they got orders at. You can kind of see it. It moves from right there. There's some here. This is a big hour candlestick, but this is on an hour time chart. So if I take it to a smaller time chart, it actually breaks that candle down. It makes it little smaller pieces. Let's do 5 minutes. Let's see what it looks like on the 5 minute. Oops, I lost it. It's right here. Yeah. So, check a span, whatever. I was in the lands, whatever. What the fuck is club, whatever. All right, market's open in about 15, 20 minutes. Let's go read the news. Show you guys how to get on this news and see what the news is on. Let's see what the news is on. Let's see what's going on in the news today. See what's happening with the news. Let's go see what's happening with the news. Let's see what's going on. So, looks like we got this Forex Factory. Use this for all our news and whatnot. You guys can see it right here. This pretty much got everything you want on there. We just ran the 8:30 a.m. play, made a good 500 profit. Now we have FMOC members. So FMLC day to day. Then we got Fed chair speed. This is a killer right here. Every time he checks, the charts go crazy depending on what he says. We're gonna try to trade that as well a little bit this afternoon. Set an alarm for that. We got, let's see here. We got the S&P. We got our grid, our visual grid. I like this. Today is kind of looking like cranberry salad. We got Nvidia low. It's down 1%, which is not much. That's good, but this is a market mover. All the big blocks are market movers. Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google's doing all right, but they're all still under, within 1-2%. So it's going to be moving around. Healthcare, all of these technology stocks, and the other ones, Google, the financials, all those have